This 2015 Coachmen Sportscoach Pathfinder Elite 404RB is a Class A RV. It is located in Montgomery, Alabama, 36116 and is offered for sale by Motorhome Specialist Alabama. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 42 feet 3 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 89 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2015 Coachmen Sportscoach Pathfinder Elite 404RB is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.